Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So in this video I had a request to put the Klingon bird of prey up against the Sabre class. So I'm going to do this from both sides. Here we go.
Red alert, shields up.
Right, I'm going to start off in the Sabre. Very nice looking ship. Okay, now we have the dodgy photon arcs with this. There we go. Fire by pressing the disruptor button. And they missed. Ooh.
Sir, we've taken out the tractor beam system.
I think usually with birds of prey, they're best in packs, like 3. And they attack with an element of surprise, and that's usually how they win.
The forward shield is draining.
It's unfortunate the Federation don't really use cloaking devices. Of course, with Defiance in the story, but you saw how effective it was with that. I suppose it's to keep the peace with the Romulans. Ooh, critical shot straight in the what?
That's it. We got him.
Red alert, shields up.
That's what the Klingons get for leaving their blood wine next to the reactor core. Highly flammable stuff, apparently. Also good for getting paint off clothes, so I've heard. Whoops. I accidentally pressed the manual target button rather than disruptor.
Sir, we are draining their top shield.
Ooh, just the return of the square torpedoes. They looked a bit squarey to me.
Integrity at 50%.
Oh wow.
Target's hull has been breached.
Our forward shield is draining.
General Chang will be happy. Well, I think that's got to go to the Sabre class, as there's no way the computer can pilot like that, I don't think. Come on. Oh!
Tractor beam
Well,
has been disabled, Captain.
guess a win is a win. Win. No, that's
it.
not a win.
We got him.